Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video, and I'm going to showcase hauls. We went to the flea market, me and my buddies, mejor dicho, the Guerrero brothers. So I'm gonna go give a shout out to them. And yeah, this is what I found at La Pulga, at the flea market. And we're gonna also do an unboxing. We're gonna unbox these three beauties over here, Matchbox. Very nice. So let's get to it. And the first one over here, we got a treasure hunt from 2013, and it's a Bad to the Blade. Very cool, 2013 model. We got more treasure hunts, and here we got the Rocket Fire, 2015 treasure hunt. We got two of these. We got the Cloak and Dagger, another treasure hunt. We got two of these. This one's from 2014 treasure hunt. Very cool. Now this treasure hunt was awesome to find. Corvette Grand Sport Roadster, and it's also from the Fast and the Furious movies. So this is a treasure hunt from, what year is this? 2015 treasure hunt. Rip Rod treasure hunt from last year's 2016 or 17. Fast Felion, something like that. Another treasure hunt. Not a super, just a regular treasure hunt. This one's from, what year? 2015. And we got another treasure hunt. Jeep CJ7. That's very cool. This one's from 2015. Look at those wheels, very cool. This is Cool Classics, Hot Wheels Cool Classics. And it's a Spectra Frost. Metal to metal. And Riders. My son got this one. He was with us. He just got it and threw it in there. I guess he liked it. That's not the real price. Those were the prices that they had, but the lady gave me a real good price. Can't complain. So ignore the prices on them. We got a Ford Mustang in blue. Ooh, we got a Batmobile in blue. Just no treasure hunt, just a regular car. We got two of these, and we got a Batmobile, the tumbler camouflage version. Very cool. Over here we got a Grace Rod. I got this one more because I don't have this car, and I don't like it because of the card. I like these cards, the ones that are more detailed. Chrysler, sorry, not a Chrysler Pronto. Very cool. This is a model back from 2000. I think this would be the oldest vehicle I have actually in my collection now. 63 Cadillac Ambulance. I've been wanting to crack it open. I've only found two. Gifted one to my buddy that we went with to the Pulga. And then we got another fire truck. Now in this one in red. Kind of hurts that I'm gonna open it, but I'm gonna open it. 1963 Mack B fire truck. There you go, Mack B fire truck. Crack that open. And then last but not least, we got the 71 Nissan Skyline 2000 GTX. That's very cool. Awesome. I gifted this one to my dad. 51 Buick Le Sabre Concept. This is a very beautiful car. Got it from my jefito. A 69 Mercury Cyclone. I already showed it to you guys. I got these two. This is the other one I got from my dad. I got these three with this other guy. Very cool car. I just specifically got these for my dad. It reminded me of him, getting him those classic cars like this purple and violet or pinkish, the flames and the Hot Wheel logo caught my attention. 56 Merc or Merge, I don't know. So those are the ones that I found. My friend found also other ones, him and his brother. What's up, Ricky? Start up with the Nissan Skyline. Me va a doler estos, pero no hay pero. Oh, there it is. Nissan Skyline. Now this one is very cool, very classic style. Probably as well gifted to my dad. He would like it. Those wheels. Look at those wheels. Very cool. That color. That color is nice. Now let's open up the fire truck. Cause why not? Wally in the background. Noah's watching a Disney movie. It's a very cool truck. Fire truck. Dun, 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 the one I've been waiting for. I've been wanting to crack this one open. Oh, look at that. Reminds me of the Ghostbusters. The EMT. Very cool. I like that. The colors, man. The colors, the ones that make it pop. Make that pop. Very cool. So there it is. Thank you for tuning in to another video. This is the hauls that I found. All the little cars, the models, everything that I found in La Pulga at the flea market. Thank you for watching. Noah, say goodbye.
Bye.
Whoa, mira. Qué padre. Whoa.